tutorial. This time we will be showing you how to change your code on the ViSonic Powermaster alarm systems via the KP250 keypad. So what we do is we press the arrow across button down the bottom once to wake up the screen, press it again, it will say user settings, press OK. It'll ask you to enter your original code. The default is 4 ones. And now we press the arrow across key until it says user codes. We press OK. It's got user 1 and then it's displaying the number. So we press OK and it moves across to the number that's on there at the moment. What we do now is just type over the top of it the number we want it to be. Once it's displayed up there, we press OK and then we press escape to come out of programming. We'll say OK to exit, we press OK and that's your master code changed. If you now want to add a second user code, you press the arrow across key once to wake up the screen, again it will say user settings, OK, enter your master code, and then we press the arrow across key until it says user codes, press OK. Now it's flashing on user and a 0, 1. So press the arrow across key and it will move to user 2. So if you wanted to change user 2, you press OK. It will then move across to the 4-digit number. Just type over the top the number you wish to put in. Once it's displayed in the window, press OK. Now press escape if you want to come out. If you want to add a third, you press the arrow across and so on. So we've finished programming codes. Escape, escape, OK to exit, and that's your second code added. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more tutorials and videos on the ViSonic Powermaster alarm systems, please follow the link below. Thank you.